So today we only have one new node. We have this path skew. So it will skew, but it will work on path data, right? Because if when you draw line like this and then you apply skew afterward, you're gonna see that it will have all kind of artifacts, right? It doesn't have the information, underlying information to do proper interpolation. But if you do path skew first, then as you can see, the output here would be completely smooth, right? Then we have a very small like bug fix in like the lower node and stuff. And we also have some really slight improvement on the Steam system. I go around and fix bug on the Steam workshop as well. And also, okay, we have to talk about this. I also disabled the graph, like the live update graph for the Steam workshop. So you might not know this because I doubt that anyone uses Steam workshop feature in the software itself, which is fairly a good thing. But there used to be a feature that allow you to like apply a graph, like PixelComposer graph, directly on the profile image, right? So like you can apply animated effect like particle in this profile page. But there's a lot of problems with doing that, especially when the version is updating. There's like a version conflict and there's a lot of like crash potential there. So I've disabled it for now, right? So now you can check other people author page without having the crash log show up all the time. There are also improvement on like the metadata here as well. So you can now refresh the thumbnail here if it doesn't show up. If you update your thumbnail, it doesn't show up here because there's no thumbnail. But when you update thumbnail, sometimes it doesn't refresh because there's still cache in your software, in your computer. So you can do that now. There are also an option to overwrite old Steam Workshop, because sometimes when you upload to Steam Workshops and you like close the file and then you open it back again, the file ID is like, it doesn't get load. I'm not sure what's going on there still, but sometimes it doesn't load with the Steam Workshop data. And if it's gonna ask you to upload again as two different projects. So now you can right click here and you will see an option to overwrite Steam Workshop, where it allows you to completely overwrite the workshop data with a new project. So you don't have to create a new one and then go back and delete the old one and stuff like that. And there also an addition on the MK cables. Right, MK cable here now have area input or area source type, so that you can define two separate area to spawn the cable in. All right. And I think I use it in this example for this city generator, the project that I just did today. It looked pretty cool, but to be fair, it's just scattering, right? But then I put it in a for loop here, and then I do loop multiple times with different color, different depth, different properties to create an output like this. Pretty cool. But that should be it.